Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's video, we're going to go over 10 more amazing cling supply deals that are going to help you to stock up and save a bunch of money this Saturday, September 2nd at Dollar General. But before I get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week because I want you to save as much money as you possibly can. And I don't want you to miss out on these deals. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you could do me a quick favor, if you enjoy the deals, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel and it is so greatly appreciated. For today's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know, 1, what state are you from? 2, how close the nearest Dollar General is or what other stores that you coupon at. And 2, I want to know how many Dollar Generals do you have in your area, because I've come across a lot of couponers that say that 1, they either don't have any Dollar General stores near them, or 2, they are like 45 minutes away, and I am surrounded by Dollar Generals, at least 15 of them. So let me know down below in the comments. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book, I'm going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comment section. It is an awesome project that I have been wanting to work on for the last several years since I first designed these couponing planner pages back almost 3 years ago. And they are full of these couponing scenario planning sheets that make couponing so much infinitely easier. I'm super proud of this project, so if you're interested, make sure you check it out. And if you've already purchased them, thank you so much for your support, and let me know what you think of them down below in the comments. So let's get started with these deals. Now we're going to start right out of the gate with a super strong low out-of-pocket couponing deal to stock up on air fresheners. Grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, a 5-count pack of the Airwick plug-in refills, and a Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that. I just realized I haven't said that in several deal videos. Our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $7.95 plus tax for an amazing 72% off savings. I recently had someone reach out to me asking for some great Tide Pods deals because they want to stock up on them for their house. And we have a lot of awesome Tide coupons this week. We've had them off and on for the last couple weeks. So this is a great deal, a super easy one, doesn't have a whole lot of pieces to it. So grab 1 tub of Tide Pods, one of the small bags of Tide Pods, as well as a Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.65 plus tax for an easy 50% off savings. I am dedicating this next deal to one of my couponing friends, Michelle, who loves Pine Sol products. Me and her both do, and we don't see deals for it as often as we would like. But we got a great coupon that I realize applies to the Pine Sol this week, which is a great example of when you look at the Dollar General coupons in the app, make sure you clip on them to make sure what attaches. Because if I wouldn't have clicked on this coupon, I would have had no idea that it works off the Pine Sol. So for this deal, grab 2 of the 100-ounce bottles of Pine Sol. These are the big bottles. 1 pack of Bixel erasers and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $13.45 plus tax for a 50% off savings. We're spending several dollars less than the full retail value of the Pine Sol cleaners and getting the other 2 products completely for free. In our next deal, I am including an item that I don't believe I have ever worked into one of my Dollar General couponing deals. It is the Spray Away glass cleaner. I am actually wanting to stock up on this a little bit for myself. I've heard a lot of great reviews. If you've tried it, let me know what you think of it down below in the comments. So for this deal, grab 1 can of the Spray Away glass cleaner, 2 bottles of the Dawn Power Wash refills. This is a fantastic coupon. If you are a fan of Dawn Power Wash, please don't let this coupon expire without you taking advantage of it. Grab 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods and 1 bottle of Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.91 plus tax for a 55% off savings. If you were to ask me what of the deals in today's deal video I am definitely considering doing myself, I mean, they're all great deals, don't get me wrong, but this one, as you can possibly tell, I am getting over a nasty head cold or chest cold. I don't know which one it is, but I had the preschooler cooties come into my house, and I am trying to stock up on the disinfecting products, and I am completely out of my Lysol all-purpose cleaner. So for this next deal, we're going to grab 2 bottles of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners, 2 bottles of the Lysol all-purpose cleaners, a small bag of Tide Pods, and one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Because if you've been following my channel from a while, you know I love stocking up on the big bottles of detergent so they last a lot longer, because I hate going down to my stockpile every other week. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16.50 plus tax for a 43% off savings. Another cleaning supplies item that I've been wanting to start working the coupon and add into my stockpile, because it has never actually been in my stockpile, is the Kaboom foam cleaner. I have been struggling with my knees lately, and cleaning my shower is such a pain. So while I am recovering, this Kaboom foam cleaner is an awesome product. So grab 1 can of Kaboom foam cleaner, 2 tubs of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, that's the 35 count tubs, 1 Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, as well as 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.95 plus tax for a 54% off savings, which isn't bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Kaboom cleaner. Hands down, one of my favorite things to do with my Dollar General couponing deals is I love working in items that we never get coupons for, because just because we don't have a coupon for something doesn't mean we still don't need the product, right? And I am a huge fan of the Borax Detergent Booster. It's a great product. Awesome cleaner. So for this next deal, grab 2 boxes of the Borax Laundry Detergent Booster, 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent, 1 pack of Bixley razors, as well as 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.20 plus tax for a 50% off savings. And just like the last deal, that's not bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Borax. See what I'm saying? Just because we don't have a coupon for something does not mean we still can't score a great deal on it. We just got to work it into a deal with higher value coupons to lower our out of pocket. If you're like me, you were super excited to wake up Sunday morning to the Dawn Power Wash and the Gain Power Blast Sprays coupons. They are very much rare coupons. We do not get them very often, so this is our prime opportunity to stock up on them super cheap while we can get it. And this is a great deal, super easy, doesn't have a whole lot of pieces to it. So grab 2 bottles of the Dawn Power Wash refills, 2 bottles of the Gain Power Blast sprays, as well as one of the big bottles of Gain Fireworks. Now, I recently found out that not everyone got the $4 off Gain Fireworks coupon, unfortunately. Now, if you didn't, it's okay. Just clip the $3 off one. You'll pay $1 more out of pocket, but this is still a fantastic deal. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $17.57 plus tax for a 49% off savings. One product that I have become a huge fan of over the last year is the all free and clear detergent. I've personally been going through a little bit of a skin allergy over the last year, and this product has been a game changer for me. It's definitely helped a bunch. So if you are a fan of it, this is a great deal. We don't really get coupons for it super often, and this is a great coupon. So grab 1 bottle of the Febreze Unstoppable Spray, 3 of those $5 sized bottles of the all free and clear laundry detergent, as well as 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.25 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now just think of how many loads of laundry you're going to be able to do with that deal. Which reminds me, I have to finish my laundry tonight. I still got 2 loads. Ugh. Another product that I am a huge fan of, and I like working into my deals, I haven't done it in a long time, I don't know why, I think I honestly kind of forgot about it, is the Odoband Cleaner. Dollar General sells it in case you didn't know, and it is a great disinfectant. I love these gallon-sized bottles because they last a long time. It's a concentrate, and after I'm done with today's deal videos, I am actually going to use it to mop my hallway floor because, again, I have been getting over cooties and I have to disinfect my house so the other people in my house don't get it. So for this next deal, we're going to grab 1 gallon-sized bottle of Odoband Cleaner, 1 pack of Bixley razors, 1 pack of the Swiffer Heavy Duty Wet Refills, as well as one of the small bottles of Gain laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $14 even plus tax for a 46% off savings. Highly recommend doing this deal before the real cold and flu season hits because, again, it's a great product and it will last you the entire season. Now, if you're looking for even more Dollar General coupon deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, my Patreon page is where I post my complete couponing deals list from week to week because most weeks I write significantly more Dollar General coupon deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could because I've been having a little bit of a carpal tunnel situation. But I post my complete deals list as a PDF file over my Patreon page. Now you can easily download this to a smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want. I keep all the major categories separated, and these are all categories of items that you want to save on for your family. We're talking Gain products, because of course it's Dollar General. We love our Gain deals. Laundry products, cleaning supplies, toilet paper, paper towels, diapers, Tide, even $10 off of 40 couponing deals are included because I am in love with that coupon this week, as well as a super low out-of-pocket deals list is included. I've done all the work for you here. It is an easy way to coupon. All you gotta do is download it, pick whatever deals list you want to do, go to the store, find the products, clip the coupons, and you are good to go. And I also forgot to mention, this week's deals list, I actually broke my personal record and I wrote 150 couponing deals for this week. That is the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week. I had so much fun putting it together, so if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching today's deal video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you save a bunch of money for your family this week. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please take a moment, subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and click on the little notification bell as well. It's a super important step. That way, whenever I post one of my couponing deal videos, or I do one of my live couponing after dark chats, which I promise I will be doing very soon as I am feeling a little bit better, you're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.